In this video, we are going to be constructing the isometric block on the screen. So first of all, we are going to be drawing our straight line. That's our reference line. After that, we are going to be projecting angle 30, as you can see here. This 30-degree. Please make sure you are using tinting lines for this drawing. As we are going to be starting, make sure you are using tinting lines for all lines. All construction lines must be in thin line. So we draw this. As you can see, this place is 20, so we'll pick our 20 millimeter, 20 millimeter. So we'll pick our 2 centimeter. From that point, draw another line coming like this. So this place is going to be 10 millimeter. That's 1 centimeter. We pick it like this. So from there, from that point, we are going to be drawing a straight line. Please make sure all your lines are in thin lines. And as we can see, this is 120 millimeter. So this place is going to be 120. That's 12 centimeter. That's 12 centimeter. So now we draw a straight line up like this, and in this part also we draw another one up like this. So as we can see in this place, this is 20 millimeter. So we pick our 20 millimeter here and draw like this. Draw like this. So from here, we are going to draw a straight line upward here. So with our angle 30-degree, we join it here. Now we are going to be drawing this place that is here, and as we can see in this place is 60. From here to here is 60, and this place is 10, this place is 10. So definitely this place is going to be 40 millimeter. So we'll pick our 40 millimeter from here. This is 40 millimeter. So we draw our straight line up like this. So from here also we draw straight line up like this. So using our set square, like this, we draw like this, and we draw like this also. So that's that for this place. So now we are going to be drawing this top here. So we'll draw our inside like this. Please make sure all your lines are in thin lines, and as we can see, this place is a continuation here. So we are going to be using our set square like this, and as we can see, it is 20 millimeter. So we'll pick 20 millimeter there like this, and from that point we draw our 30-degree like this. Please make sure all your lines are in thin lines. So this place is going to be 40 millimeter, just as the down part is going to also be 40 millimeter. So that's for that. We'll pick here also like this, bring it down. So this place also will be like a continuation for here. Draw here. So without forgetting this part, let's quickly draw this part. So from here, this place is going to be a continuation for here. So we just draw from this place like this, and join the line like this, like this. So we have done that already. So now this place, we are going to be picking our 10 place. But before we do that, let's first of all bring this like this first. First, then this line is going to be continued here. So it's going to go like this. This isn't touching it well. So let's bring it. So this place is going to be 10 millimeter. That's 1 centimeter. So we pick it like this. So from here, the line is going to be hitting this other place. So we draw it like this. Okay. So now what we are going to be doing first, we are going to be drawing this part of the circle, that is this part that is here. So as we can see, this place is 20, and we have our radius of this circle to be 20, to be the radius to be 10 millimeter, and the diameter is 20 millimeter. So what we are going to be doing now, we are going to be drawing this. We'll pick another 20 millimeter like this. So we'll pick another 20 millimeter like this. Are you with me? So now we'll project a line like this and another like this. Then from here we are going to be joining these two lines. So we are going to be picking the middle of this line, that is 20 millimeter. So we'll pick here like this, and we are going to draw it like this, and like this, and like this. So in order to draw this circle in the middle, we are going to be picking the longest edge of this particular square. So we are going to draw a straight line for the longest edge. It is not going to be here because this is not the longest edge. This is the longest edge. So that's where we are going to be drawing. So from there, we are going to pick, as we know, the diameter of the circle is 20 millimeter. So we'll pick 10 millimeter to each side. That is 10 here, 10 here, and 10 here, and 10 here. So let's draw a square. So it will go like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. So now from this point, we are going to draw a straight line here and a straight line here. So it goes like this, like this, and like this. So now we are going to be making use of our compass. We are going to first of all place it at this point, our compass at this edge here, then measure this edge to this edge, draw our circle, draw our curve first, then you place it at this other edge, draw our curve. I will advise you to be thickening out the curve, so because it is not always easy to thicken out circle after the drawing, so I will advise you to thicken out the circles in as much as you are getting it right. So we'll place it at this point also, draw here, and place it at this place also. So we draw this last curve. So that's for this circle that is here. So now we are going to be drawing this particular curve, as we can see in this place. So to draw that one is very simple. We'll pick from this edge here, we'll pick from this edge and just draw a nice curve from this edge. Then to draw this place, as we have done in this place, we are going to pick from here to here with our ruler. We'll draw just a straight line from this edge to this place with our ruler. So where the line is cutting each other with this diagonal, we'll just draw a curve. So that's the way it is going to be. So now we are going to be drawing the curve down, this other curve that is going to be down here, that is this place. So to draw that one, we are going to be projecting this place like this. Please make sure it's in thin lines in order not to get confused. We project this place like this. This place is projected already, so we pick our 40 millimeter from here. Pick 40 millimeter. So from this place, you join it with this other point. I will advise you to thicken out those 4 points at which you have picked your 40 millimeter in order to avoid confusion. So we'll pick half of this line, that's 20 millimeter, like this. We'll pick 20 millimeter first. So it will be like this, So we are going to pick half here also, which is also 20 millimeter. So this is it already. So we'll draw it like this. So now, in order to draw this curve, we are going to pick our compass first in this place. That's this point here. Just draw from here, place it at this point, make sure it's touching here also. So we'll join it like this. So in order to draw here, we are going to pick our compass, our ruler, and our pencil. We'll draw from here to here. So from that point, so we're also going to be drawing the diagonal also. Don't let us forget that. So from this point at which it is cutting the diagonal, we would draw our curve. So in order to perfect it, this place from here and here, we are going to join it together, and also here and here is already joined together like this. So you can just thicken this place out. So that's for here. Let's draw our straight line here. Yes, that's for this place. So that's for here. So now we are going to be moving to the back part also. It's also going to be the same way. So this place is also 20. So we pick our 20 here and 20 here. So it's going to go like this, and like this. So we draw it like this. We are going to be drawing this box inside here. So in order to draw that, we are going to first of all draw our diagonal first. That's the line that is passing through this place. So we are going to pick 20 millimeter also here. That's half of this place. And we're also going to be picking 20 millimeter here, which is already there already. So we'll pick our T-square like this, our Z-square, our Z-square like this. I will pick here also like this. So now, as we can see, this place is 20, diameter of 20 millimeter. This place is diameter of 20 millimeter. So we are going to be picking 10 millimeter up, 10 millimeter up, 10 millimeter here. So we pick 10 millimeter to this place also, like this, and 10 millimeter here also, like this. So we are going to draw this like this, like this, like this, and like this. So now we are going to draw, in order to draw this circle, we are going to pick from this point, from this last edge here to this point, first of all, the same way we did for the first part. From we pick from here to here, and from here to here. Placing your compass at this edge here, this last edge here, you place it at these 2 points. 2 point, make sure it's touching those points. So we draw our curve as usual, then we place it at this place also, same way we have done at the first place. So we draw our curve, then we place it at this point, as you can see here. Draw our curve, then at this place also, like this, to draw our curve. So now we are going to be drawing this part here, which is very easy. From this place, so from this place we are going to draw, extend our compass like this, and draw an arc here, like this. So now, in order to draw here, we are going to be drawing a straight line from this part to this place. So where it is cutting the diagonal line, we are going to put our compass there and place our compass at the edge of this place, and draw our curve like this. So we are going to be drawing this straight line down, which is very simple. So from this point here, this diagonal point, we just pick our straight line down. So that's that for this place. We are going to be moving straight to the center, which is this place. So now, in order to draw the center, we can see that this place is 30. This place is 30 millimeter. So we are going to be drawing a straight line upwards. We are going to be drawing a straight line upwards from here, like this, like this. So from here to here is 30 millimeter. So we'll pick with here, and it's 30. So this place to this place is 30. It's 30 millimeter. So we'll draw our 30 degree like this, and we draw like this also. So it's going to go like this. Please make sure you are using tinting lines. Please make sure you are using tinting lines. And we'll also draw our straight line up. So this place is also going to be 30 millimeter. So we pick 30 millimeter here. This place also is 30. So we'll extend here up a little bit, just 30. So we are going to be drawing like this. Going to be drawing like, so this place, as you can see, is 60 millimeter. So we'll pick 60 millimeter on our ruler. 60 millimeter on our ruler. So now we are going to draw a straight line upward from here also. like this, and also draw to this point like this also. Then we are going to be drawing from here like this. So now we have drawn the box. We are now going to be drawing the curves there, which is always the easiest part. So first of all, we'll start with the front curve. So we'll draw our line down. We want to draw a half curve. So we'll draw, this place is 30, so we'll pick another 30 millimeter downward, and here also we'll pick another 30 like this millimeter downward. So we draw a straight line from that point to this place. So we are going to be joining these two lines together like this. So we are going to be picking the longest diagonal. So from here to here, we'll draw our straight line like this. So we'll divide this place into two, also into 30. So this is 13. So from there, we'll draw our straight line half like this also. So now, in order to draw this curve of this place, we'll place our compass here. Place our compass here. So we draw our curve like this, curve like this. So now to draw here, as we have been doing in the previous ones, we would draw from here to this edge here like this. So from here we'll pick this point, then from this point we draw our curve like this. So that's the way it will be. So we are going to be drawing the one at the center. As we can see, the one at the center, the radius is 15 millimeter, as we can see. So the diameter is going to be 30. So we just pick our 15 here, 15 to the right, to the left, and 15 to the right. 15 millimeter. So we'll pick 15 up and down here also like this. 15. That's the radius is going to be 15. So we draw our, please make sure you're using thin lines, please, in order to avoid confusion. Make sure you're using thin lines. So from here also we draw a straight line upward, and we draw here also a straight line upward. So to draw this curve here, we are going to be doing exactly the same thing. We'll place our compass here at this point, then extend it to this place here, and draw our curve. Then to draw here, we are going to pick from here, as we have drawn this already, from here to here, from here to this place. So we'll draw like this. Draw it like this. So we have drawn this part already. You can just join this like this and like this. So now we are focusing at the curve at the back, on the curve at the back, sorry. So we'll pick our line also downward, which is, this place is 30. So we are going to be picking another 30 to the bottom, which is going to be landing somewhere here. We'll just draw our straight line like this. Please make sure you are using thin lines like this. So from here also, we'll draw a straight line. This part from here, we draw a straight line downwards, downwards, and measure our 60. So our 60 is going to be here, going to be around this point. So we draw a our perpendicular line. So in order to avoid confusion, let's thicken out those four corners, those four places. So now from here to here, we are going to be drawing a straight line, that is the longest diagonal. So we draw our straight line. We have gotten the half already, so we only need an half in this place, which is 30 millimeter. So from there, from that 30, we are going to be projecting a straight line downward. Please make sure you're using thin lines in order to avoid confusion. So these are the points. So from here, to draw this curve here, we'll place our compass at this edge here. That's this last point. We extend it to this place like this and draw. Send it to this place like this and draw. So now we are going to be drawing this other curve to this place. So in order to do that, we are going to be picking our compass from this edge here to this place like this. Please make sure you're using thin lines. From here to here, we'll draw a straight line. Then at this point in which they meet, we are going to draw a curve to this place, just like this. So to draw here, we'll draw from here to this place like this. So now we have drawn this place finished like this. So now we are going to be drawing this curve here, which look like an hollow, which is opening to this place. And as you can see, the radius of this place is 15. The radius is 15 millimeter, so definitely the diameter is going to be 30 millimeter diameter. So we'll project our line from here, project our line outwards from this point. Project. Please make sure it's thin lines in order to avoid confusing yourself. So now from this part we have drawn here, we are going to draw our straight line downward like this. So it will go like this, at this point which it is meeting. That's this point here, this line here. We are going to draw a straight line. We're also going to be doing the same thing for the other part like this, like this. So now we will draw. We have known that the radius is 15, so definitely the diameter is 30. So we'll pick 15 upward here and 15 downward here. So we'll use our set square like this to complete it. So it goes like this and like this and like this. So we'll pick the center in this place also. We are going to be picking our center here, which is going to be 15 millimeter. So it's going like this way, this way. So now in order to draw this curve, we are going to be picking the longest diameter, the longest diagonal, sorry, the longest diagonal. So we'll draw our straight line like this. So from here we'll pick our compass and draw the curve like this, like this. Now in order to draw this curve here, we are going to be drawing from here, which is this place. We are going to be drawing it to this place like this. So it's going to be from here like this. From here like this. So now that's our hollow here. So what is left is for us to thicken out all the needed parts and leave our construction lines alone to be seen. That's
Please kindly like, subscribe, and share this video with your friend. I'll be glad if you do that. Thanks for watching.